Hello, my name is Sean. This is my 1965 chassis Meyers Manx dune buggy. In this video, I'll cover the chassis and suspension, just so I don't forget anything again, which I've did in my previously deleted videos. Let's just start from the front and move our way back. All right. In the front, we have a ball joint front suspension, which is totally rebuilt. All right. All powder coated arms. This uses VW spindles with the brake caliper mount integrated into it. I chose to throw on the dust shields as well to give it a nice clean look, which came out really nice. Front shocks are oil filled, no gas, to give it nice and comfort. Properly installed with the bump stops, the dust shield, so it all looks really nice and clean. In the front, beam is adjustable for height. The lower beam, lower bar and the upper bar both are. The front nudge bar, as we call it, is one of the ones designed like the original Manx, where this pin on both sides can be removed and pulled out, and your tow bar comes in and the pin goes through your tow bar, and that's how you tow it. You don't actually hook it up to your beam and scratch it up and all that stuff. All right. You can see everything is stainless hardware. If I use stainless bolt and stainless slot, I made sure to put the NTCs in there. These are flange nuts that have serrations for locking, so the NTCs won't affect its ability to hold it. This sits on, let's go to steering since we're here. Steering box was rebuilt by myself, sealed up, all fresh grease, nice and tight. Steering column has a double U-joint to make sure we get the steering column in a proper, comfortable position. I'm comfortable enough to drive this car cross country right now, if someone wanted me to. No problems. Dual circuit master cylinder. All the braking system is brand new. And if you notice here, the chassis is a tubular chassis built by ManxChassis.com by David Barrett. David built some really nice stuff. The chassis has a belly pan, which is aluminum diamond plate. This aluminum diamond plate is attached using stainless hardware. And I also have 6mm EPDM sound deadening material on the top side of it, which is between the aluminum and the steel chassis. I'll post some pictures of what the chassis looks like on the top side. All right, rear suspension. The rear torsion housing and everything is custom made by David with the shock towers and all. And this torsion housing is adjustable. Let me tell you, here in the center, if you can see those nuts and fingers, adjustable screws, there are fingers on the end of the torsion housing that are adjustable. So you can adjust the suspension in the rear, left side, right side. Back out here, everything rebuilt. You can see some of the chassis work that he does here. That's really nice. All right, I use the shorter torsion bars in the back to give it a cleaner look. Sorry for that white residue on there. That was from when we 3D scanned everything to build our custom roll cage, which I will get to now. It's a custom roll cage that has been powder coated in silver vein. Comes down, attaches in the front to the chassis. Underneath these rubber floor mats are steel floor pans that have been powder coated. So nice, really nice. You can also see that sound deadening a little bit coming through there, the writing. All right, I'll put up a picture of that before I put the floors on. But the roll cage is real nice. Comes here, underneath here, goes into sidebars that are powder coated black, and the rest of the cage is silver vein, like I mentioned. I use seals everywhere I made holes, so it's really nice. Like I said, I don't like hearing sound vibrations and things like that. I used to be a tech at Lexus, and I did a lot of the squeaks and rattles and stuff. The roll cage has a plate here on the side where these 4 bolts go into. That is so that you can detach the hood and the dash separately, which comes in really handy. Like I said, I use seals everywhere. On the top, we went in with this design that's notched, that cuts in. That's so it's easier to get in and out when you take that top off. I do have a laser cut mold pattern, molly panel, where you can attach all kinds of fun stuff. If you look it up, military first started using these, but they make it really easy to attach all kinds of stuff to it. I had my first aid kit. I had a rugged radio intercom system connected to that. So it's really handy. Fire extinguisher, one of those little stick ones. It's really great. Dome light, anything you want you can attach to it. The roll cage is made out of 1 3/4 inch DOM tubing, 0120 wall thickness. Comes down the back to a rear bumper cage, if you want to call it, and skid bars. There's no skid plate because I never really planned on going off-roading per se, but if you want to add one, that would be a good idea if you are going to go off-roading. And this cage is removable because we have a couple chromoly connectors right here. Uses 2 Allens, one here, one here. So you can disconnect this, take it out. That's how I got it powder coated and installed it back in. Rear disc brakes, front disc brakes, all brand new stuff or rebuild. Well, not much to rebuild. It was a front beam, a steering box. Don't think anything else. All right, any other questions, please let me know. Thank you.